Good day, everyone. I'm Chris Justin T. Solomon from TNO4, and for today, I'll be discussing one trending ICT technology that is shaping the future of computing, and that is blockchain technology. When we hear the word blockchain, the first thing that usually comes to our mind is cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. But blockchain is actually much bigger than that. It's a technology that powers secure and transparent data transaction. Blockchain is a digital decentralized system where data is stored in blocks that are linked together. Once information is added, it can be easily changed or removed, making it highly secure and trustworthy. What is the definition of blockchain? A decentralized distributed ledger technology that records transactions and securely and transparently. What is the key features of blockchain? It's immutable records, peer-to-peer validation, decentralized control. And why blockchain matters? Blockchain stands as one of the most transformative innovation in ICT. It introduced a secure, transparent, and decentralized way of recording transactions, reshaping how industry manage data and build trust. This presentation provides a clear overview of what blockchain is, its key features, and why it matters in modern technology. What is the problem with traditional system? Like we use in our local banks, what is the problem on that? First, is the lack of trust. Requires third-party verification. It means we need someone to verify our transaction every time. Second, inefficiency. It's time-consuming and costly reconciliation. Third, opportunities for fraud. Centralized bases are vulnerable. It means it can be hacked and not everybody see the transaction that they are doing. Fourth, opacity. It's limited transparency for users, like I said. Now, what is the core principle of blockchain? First, decentralization. No single point of control. It means nobody has been controlling the blockchain. It means everybody can add but not change. And everybody can see the transactions. That is what claims the transparency. All transactions are viewable and traceable. And third core principle of blockchain is immutability. Once recorded, data cannot be changed. And last, security. Every transaction is encrypted and protected from tampering. It's like a unique code per, per transaction. And how blockchain works naman? First, a transaction is respected. Second, it's broadcast to a network of computers. That is the nodes. Third, the network validates the transaction. Fourth, a new block is added to the chain. And fifth, the transaction is complete and stored permanently. And how we use it in real-world cases. First, finance. Cross-border payments, smart contracts. Second, supply chain. Track goods from source to shelf. Third, healthcare. Secure patient data sharing. Fourth, voting. Transparent and fraud-proof digital voting. Fifth, real estate. Digital property records and transfers. Blockchain technology always comes with trust. That's what it says here. Trustless trust. It means trust is embedded in the technology, not individuals. Auditability. Every action is recorded and verifiable. Third, user empowerment. Control and ownership of personal data. It means every transaction that you you do, you own it. You have access to it, but you cannot change the transaction. Blockchain and transparency. Open ledger. Participants can view all transactions. That's what I'm saying, right? Everybody that has been connected to the chain can see all the transaction. Accountability. Misconduct and visible and traceable. You cannot hide from the blockchain if you do something bad, like fraud. Last, reduces corruption in public and private sectors. What is the challenges and future outlook of blockchain? First, scalability. Everybody still doesn't trust blockchain technology, even though it's the edge edge technology that we have right now. Regulation and compliance. It means the blockchain technology is still not properly regulated. Third, energy consumption. It uses so many computers around the world. Like, because the blockchain is running always in your computer, that's why it uses more electricity. And what is the future trends in blockchain? Green blockchain solutions. Second, interoperability among blockchains. Third, mainstream adoption across industries. Blockchain is reshaping how we think about trust, transparency, and data integrity. It offers transformative potential across sectors and embrace the shift to a more secure and transparent digital future. And that's it, guys. Thank you for listening how I discuss the blockchain technology, and I hope we accept the blockchain technology as part of our future trends. Thank you.